Okay, you guys, the big reveal. I came up with this crazy idea. I've always wanted to frame my mirror, but I'm not sawing, drilling, cutting. I'm not doing any of that stuff. By the way, that paisley is just sitting there because I don't know what to do. Ignore my mess. Okay. A little mommy juice courage. So my idea, and yes, my thumbnail fell off. It's kind of gross. An alternative to framing my mirror was to stencil it. Okay, let's see. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, okay. I likey. What you guys think? Let's see. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm upstairs in my bathroom. Otherwise, I would have brought my little makeup live thingamacthingin up. Okay, I'm digging this. I be digging it. Yeah, only people with crazy minds, such as myself, that like can't hold a frickin' camera, would come up with this idea. Yeah, see, I keep turning the camera. Okay, so I'm going to continue to peel. I will take a picture. Okay, I'm freaking loving it. I will take a picture and post it on my various social media outlets when it's complete. Next project. By the way, I put it crooked purposely so like Caden doesn't come up and like start painting. That's my headboard. See my new headboard? I'm going to stencil that once I get this disaster. Yeah, look at my room. Please don't look at my chonies. Yeah, my room is a hot mess express. Yeah, see, I'm in painting gear. We're in inside out shorts so I don't ruin my booty biker shorts. But yeah, super excited to start this. And the watery paint fiasco. All I have left in here is to paint the ceiling. You can tell I did anger painting. Yeah, because the ceiling's yellow, so I kind of have a crazy idea with that. And I'm testing this. I painted that white because, yeah, 1970 or 84 showers are really ugly. Okay, so with that said, I love you all, and stay tuned for the picture. Bye!